Before we start diving into Photoshop image generation, let's do a little more cleanup with this result in mind. So it looks like I need to change the font family. It's some kind of sans serif font, probably Verdana, maybe Arial. Not sure. We'll take a look and see. I need to get an image in here. It looks like there is a place for it, but I don't have an image ready yet. I only have it as a mock-up, so I guess I'm gonna have to leave that till later. I can probably do the footer, so maybe I'll do the footer and the font. This one needs to be uppercase, etc. So my plan is get the font family on the body, make this uppercase. It looks like the H1 and the H2 are not bold, so take the bold off, and then maybe clean up the footer so it looks a little bit more like the final result is supposed to look. Let's go. H1 and H2 are already here. I've colored them, so let me text transform them. Ooh, I can't do this actually to the H1. I'll move that rule in a minute. Uppercase, and they're not bold, so font weight is normal. Okay, this will be too much because H2 is included here and I don't want it to be uppercase, but let me just show you my mistake. So this is looking good. This is not looking good. That means I need to remove this property from the overall rule and put it specific to the H1. Okay, that should be better. Yep. Let's do that body font family. I usually put the body one first because it's really sort of general and affects everybody, although it doesn't really matter which order I put it in. Let's call it Verdana, Arial, sans serif. So this means start with Verdana as my preferred font. If you can't find that installed on the user's computer, try Arial. If that one can't be found installed on the user's computer, try whatever the default sans serif font is for the browser. Save and refresh. Much closer to the to what we're trying to get here. Okay, this is not looking so awesome, so let's clean that up a bit. It needs some padding so that we have more space at the bottom. Here's what we're going for. So we need some padding around that text, and that text should be aligned in the center of the page. So let's do that. And this is all happening on the footer, and I already have a rule for it, so perfect. Padding, 1 EM. Usually I'll do it in EMs if at all possible, unless I'm dealing with a fixed background image and I need to move text in this exact number of pixels. I will try to pad relative to the font size. What else did I say? Oh, right, centering. That should look a lot better. Save and refresh. Yep, maybe 1M is a little overboard. 0.75. What's the mock-up look like? At full size. Actually, pretty close to what I have. Okay, good enough. That's looking good. The rest of the stuff is either things we haven't learned yet because it's floating layouts side to side, or it requires Imagery. Oh, I know. I can do the link color, and I can take the underlines off the links, and I can take the bullets off the list. Okay. 3 more things. All A's. I'm putting this where I'm putting it because I have a more specific rule for A's that are class of active, so I'm going to put a more generic rule above, if possible. Sometimes you can't organize it exactly like you want because you have things combined together, but you know, do your best. So the A color is going to be white, and they're not going to have any underline on. Okay, that should be good. And then maybe the UL, list style none. Save and refresh. Okay, now I'm pretty happy with that. Maybe I need some padding around my home tag. Yeah, in fact, all of those, either the A's or the LI are going to have padding around them. I can't think of a reason why one would be it's got to be padding on the A actually, because that would be the only way to increase the red. This red background color is being applied to the A tag. So if I want more red, I need to adjust the padding inside the A. So that answers my mental question there. Padding, I don't know how much, 1/2 M. That's probably good. Don't worry so much about the rest of this disgustingness that's happening here. We'll deal with it later. Okay, I think we're done as much as we can do here, and now it's time to head to Photoshop.